Hi, my name is Nicole Colon. I am a PhD candidate at the University of Arizona School of Plant Sciences, and I participated in the Graduate Writing Institute in the summer of 2020, so this past summer. And my main goal was to be able to finish the first chapter of my dissertation, and I was able to do it thanks to the help of the resources that they provided me in a 3-week time frame, which was amazing. And I did that by receiving not only the resources necessary for improving my grammatic, because Spanish is my first language. They did this lectures tackling different grammatic aspects on English writing, but they also did group tutoring, which was amazing for having those perspective from different individuals of different fields of how can you better communicate your science in a way that they can understand but that still remain professional. And they also have this amazing mentors that will meet with you one-on-one and help you get throughout your essay into improving either grammatics or the framing or sentence structure, which was essential for this first chapter to be completed. And I am so happy that I was able to participate this summer because then my first chapter is complete and I am currently submitting for revision to a scientific journal, which wouldn't be possible if I haven't participated in the program. Thank you.